had a couple of comments on people asking me how I get the setup for these videos, and I want to give myself like a minute and a half to break down what it all is and how I make it look as good as it does. So I'm shooting everything on an iPhone. No fancy cameras, no DSLR, no G Master lenses or anything like that. This is just iPhone footage, cinematic mode with that little depth of field, and that's it. The most important part about this whole setup is the lighting though, because right here I have an Elgato key light, which if I turn that off, you can see the difference that makes. So we're going to keep that one on. Naturally, that's blinding me straight off the bat. This guy over here, that's another Elgato key light. And if we turn that one off, you can see that I kind of fade into the background because that light over there serves as a hair light, which separates me and gives me that little bit of a distance. Okay, so then the only other two lights in this setup are that one over there, which you noticed went off, which is a blue light just to give a little bit of accent and personality to it. But also I have this guy over here, which you can see gives me a nice orange tint on my arm. That may be a little bit too, like, there we go. That's a little bit better. And you can see the difference that makes. And those are just cheap little RGB lights that I got off Amazon for 20, 30 quid. And then finally we come to this microphone here, which I've made a bunch of videos on. This is the Elgato Wave Neo, which plugs through a USB-C cable into the iPhone, and that's it. This entire setup is powered by a phone. You don't need any fancy stuff anymore.